It's day 2 of Collectopia, and the energy in this place was unbeatable. We started the day by shuffling some serious cards around, including a PSA 10 first edition Dark Porygon2 that we picked up for nearly $2,000. Then, just when I thought I'd seen it all, a teenager pulls up and challenges us to a double or nothing flip for a Rainbow Charizard, and turns out he's a 16-year-old professional high-level. And to wrap things up, we made one of the biggest moves of the day, trading away our CoroCoro Mew and a Gold Star Gyarados for a first edition Shadowless Alakazam. Stick around to see whether that trade was actually worth it. And
GOATED PULLZ! You want me to give you the Canadian or USD price? Canadian? Convert 200 USD to Canadian dollars. 270.
270? Yeah.
You want to see that one too?
Yeah, we want to get both.
Yeah, that one's really pretty. I think it's super undervalued actually. It's really beautiful. I love this card. Like the texture coming from the horizon is so nice.
So
super underrated. This beautiful Salamence. I love it. Just like move it around, it's so pretty. That one is like 75. Convert 75 USD to Canadian. 100, like 103 bucks, 100. So what is that, 270, 370? 370 Canadian for the pair? We can flip. Sure, I'll do that. 350. What was your guys' names?
Fia.
Fia. Richard. Nice meeting you guys
Nice
again.
meeting you.
All right, Fia and Richard are gonna take this EV Snorlax, Japanese from Tag Bolt, and this beautiful Japanese Salamence for 350 Canadian. How's it going, boss?
I've heard to come here to make a crazy flip.
Sure. I'll take a look.
I overpriced on this because I lost the flip.
Well, it's time to win, huh?
0-800.
Hold on, let me see.
I was up 1,200 and now I went.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Wow. I love it when kids lose money.
Yeah, but I gamble for a living, so it's fine.
Really?
I play roulette and bet 365.
What?
I play roulette and bet 365.
For a living?
Yeah, I've won over 50 grand in 3 months recently. Yeah.
Is this your son?
This
No,
is
no.
my son.
Oh, that's your
I'm
son.
a hoe.
He could be my son. My oldest is 20. So.
Wow. Convert 300 USD to Canadian. Okay, I can do 0 or 650. That's 80%. I'm buying it at 80% basically. That's full market. 80% is 320 Canadian. I went up 10 bucks. Instead of 640, I said 650.
Oh my God.
That's pretty good. 6.
You want those 3?
Yeah, I'll see what I can choose. I have these 2.
That's cool. Can I take a look? Did you pull these?
I pulled the magic cart with the Kyogre by
Do you have any clue what market is on these?
This one was about like 250, I think.
Canadian?
Yeah.
What'd you put it at? Like played slightly or?
Like Lily, please.
Yeah, it had like a couple like lifted edges and stuff, but like not much whitening. And this one? What'd you have it at?
I think I had it at like $150-ish.
Okay. Magikarp. I'm pulling it up right now. TCD player, Magikarp. Triple Beat. I could take these 2, and did you want anything else?
I take cash with it.
Yeah, I can give you 50 Canadian on top. If that works. Cool.
Yeah.
You're collecting 151?
Yeah. He's almost on the set.
Nice. The Zapdos is probably my favorite card actually.
Really?
It's
Yeah.
very pretty. I love that card. That's English, making sure they're all English. Yep. And Blastoise, right?
Yep.
Can I see it? Make sure they're clean for you. Make sure they're not damaged or anything. These 2 are for sure mint. Let me see this one. This might have slight winding, but let me see. This one had like print issues. But if you want to look at it, I mean, you could say it's near mint LP. I can like give you a slight discount on it, but I think the card's not that expensive. Up to you. Are you okay with it?
Yeah.
Okay. If you're not gonna grade it, it doesn't really matter. It's probably like, it's like a PSA 8 instead of a PSA 10. It's still considered near mint. Okay. What was your name again, brother?
Lucas.
Lucas? Nice meeting you. All right, Lucas is gonna give us Japanese Magikarp and this Primal Kyogre. He's gonna take Pikachu, Zapdos, I love this card, and Blastoise SIR, and we're gonna get 50 Canadian.
Would he get maybe a little bit more since the cards on the
Yeah, I'll make it 60 Canadian for you guys.
Oh, you're awesome.
No problem. Thank you, brother. There you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem, brother. Enjoy. Yeah, come back. There's a first edition Dark Porygon from Neo Destiny, PSA 10. You want us a cash offer on this?
Yeah.
Okay.
You mind move the cash with
Yeah. This is a sequential set here, and then I have non-sequential stuff too. This is sequential as well. All right, no, these two are sequential. How much did you want on this?
2K?
Canadian?
Yeah.
What is that in USD? Not too far off. I just need to get the green light from them if they want it or not. Let me call them one more time.
Okay, no, you're okay. No worries.
Bruh, this guy's been waiting for like 15 minutes. He said, sorry, I'm coming. It's cool, isn't it? Comp's like 17, he wanted like 1450 US. But what's pop on it? Is there any listings?
Top 66.
66, that's the devil's number. Comps are what, 1700, 1600? You wanted 1450 USD basically? Can you do like 1360 USD? It's decent, right? It's a cool card.
Like 6 times
USD? I'll flip you. Can we do 1800 or 1900 Canadian flip? Yo, where's Eric? Where'd Eric? Where'd he go? Where'd my guy go? Where'd he go? Did he leave? Let's flip 1850 or 19 Canadian. 1850 and 1900 Canadian?
Yeah.
What was your name, boss?
Patrick.
Sorry?
Patrick.
Patrick. All right. No damage, right?
No damage.
It's okay. Patrick's gonna sell us this Dark Porygon First Edition PSA 10 Holo from Neo Destiny. Dark Porygon 2, actually. Where's my coin? All right, coin flip 1850 Canadian or 1900 Canadian. Ready?
Right.
Heads, tails.
All right.
Call it.
Heads.
Oh man.
Oh, there we go.
Good. 1900 Canadian.
All right.
Oh, I love losing coin flips. Do I even have enough money?
Can I wait for your friend to come back?
I will pay you. I'm gonna add the US dollars, okay? I converted these two, I remember. These two were...
Conversion was 980 Canadian, I think, of these two.
Which one is this? 250 USD? So 2400 USD. Canadian, like 3280.
But I get a free coin.
Sure.
Only
All right, Jeff's gonna sell us this gold Mega Gardevoir. Really cool Legendary Collection Reverse Squirtle. And a PSA 9. Japanese Birthday Pikachu PSA 10 and the Hiroshima Pikachu PSA 10. For 2400 USD and you get a free coin. We'll pay you out right now.
Price you use for the singles, TCG player, collector.
Yeah, TCG player market price. I'm good with that. And then the condition match, whatever it is. Most are near mint, but you can grab it. You can grab whatever you want. Go crazy, brother.
Dude. 280.
What's TCG market on that?
39.
So 40 and 260, so 300 USD?
I have 287 USD right now. That's how I was trying to get to that mark. Only just using my trade. 280, like they're all my USD.
You don't have Canadian?
I do, but I just want to use like USD today. Just give me
Aww. 287 USD?
Yeah.
Cash?
Yeah, straight up cash. That's all I care. I didn't want to go to the States anymore.
Sure, let's do that.
Want to do it? 0650.
It's not damage, right? You didn't damage it?
You buy.
Bro, this kid's 16 years old and he gambles for a living.
0650. You flip, I call.
I don't know.
You flip, I call.
You said you stream? Or
Yeah, I just stream and then I just...
he plays the Roulette and stuff and he makes videos.
I love Ruben.
He uses his parents' account. That's crazy. Let me do this real quick and then I got you. What was your name? Here, you want to do your thing? No worries. Your name was? Philip. All right, Philip's gonna take the Gardevoir SIR from Paladin Fates in a 10 and the Psyduck Illustration Rare from 151 for 287 USD.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, boss. You want to make sure that's 287 USD. Oh, you want to sell this too? Oh, okay, nice. That's what he had in there.
Here's the Mewtwo too, but...
Which one?
I'm trying to always sell it.
Nice.
Look.
What kind of coin is this, bro?
It's just $1.
It's an ancient Roman coin.
No, it's just $1.
You got a duck or a goose?
That's what Canadian money is. That's heads, tails.
How about this coin?
Oh, I don't trust that.
You don't?
I trust just money.
You don't trust it, then why are you here,
I
bro?
trust just money.
It's not even round, bro.
It's a coin. It's $1 coin.
0 or 650 Canadian.
You keep saying here's what they want. That's what it tells.
No, I'm not saying that. I know what I want.
He has like magnet, like lands on it right away. Watch this video. It's all tails. Just kidding.
Ready? Look.
What's heads? This?
That's heads, the other one's tails.
Okay, 0 or 650 Canadian for the Champions Pat Zard.
Oh my days.
Ready?
Flip it.
Call it.
I have one there.
Yeah.
Tails.
GOATED PULLZ! Free Face slam! Here, take a free sticker, boss. At least he gets a sticker, right? With a chance sticker. Oh, don't forget your dollar, bro. I can't scam you that hard.
Interested?
Yeah. MP? What's TCG player market at? Are you a gambler teenager too?
No. Telling Chris to be a gambler, he's not gonna like it. I don't. Actually, no, he be gambling. Yeah, Chris gambles.
Your hair's like Vegeta. Did you get like cheetah print on your head?
No, because I itched and buzzed and did that.
Is that a Canadian style?
Are you Chris's godson? I forgot. Yeah.
Is that your boxers, bro?
What? Yeah.
He has his boxers out. Reminds me of middle school, bro. I remember when I was in middle school, people used to sag their pants like G-Unit. Are your parents rich? They better be or you're Dude, I'm literally in Canada right now, and Atlanta Collecticon is the same weekend today. And I see this on my Instagram reel. Check it out. This guy was robbing, and he just got choked out. That's crazy. That's Atlanta Collecticon today. This guy was a thief. That's crazy. Yo, did you see this? You're gonna be like, what the f? He was stealing.
Is that the security guard?
No, it was just a regular vendor.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, death grip on his neck.
Wait, can we reenact that?
Can we reenact that? Is crazy, dog.
Oh, she choked me.
Dude, you're dirty. You're a dirty little boy, aren't you? Oh. You want to flip for something, brother?
Yeah, what's a $30 card? Double you or nothing.
Oh, yeah, this is $30.
That's not even.
I'm pretty sure.
It's like 100 something, I think. Or like plus.
Nice try.
It's close to 100. I don't know, bro.
I don't know, bro.
How much is Victini? I don't know. Like 20 bucks, 30 bucks?
You want to just do Victini EV?
Sure, grab them. Sealed? Sealed?
Oh, that's true.
Trying to scam me, bro?
Wait, if it's
If it's 11, I want my 11.
No, this Victini's
No,
not
this.
sealed.
Trying to scam me over $1 of Canadian currency, brah.
It's $11, but
Oh, you're using collector
wrong.
again?
That's wrong. And then this is sealed, so let's call it 20. And then this is 10, so it's 30, so it's 60 or 0. Canadian.
I swear this is like 40 bucks, no?
Is it?
I don't know, bro. Use TCG player for sake.
EV Lasso.
Kiwi Lasso.
Bro, this is like a $20 card, I already know.
Canadian or USD, bro? Canadian? Yo, nice camera, bro. Nice camera. Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks. You inspired me.
No, you inspired me.
No, you.
I know I can't see your camera in your video, but I knew you were using it, so I had to.
No, you.
You inspired me.
Yeah, look at the pictures on his shirt.
This is LP, bro. This is not
True,
sealed.
that's true. I know, I need to find it.
Just search on eBay, bro.
You told me to use these.
Prismatic EV seal promo. And then show me this on eBay too. Or no, TCG player listing.
Whoa. He's very serious about his $1.
Dude, I'm not getting scammed over $3 Canadian here.
Whoa.
I'm not a pushover.
$3 Canadian is like 5 cents American.
No?
Like, that's basically like you get 5 cents for you.
I could buy like a cheeseburger with that, bro.
True. 24.
Ah, see?
20. Okay, true.
There's one that sold for $12.
That one was off-centered.
Wait, hold on. These are last sold. 11, 17, 14, 19.
Are these all sealed?
Yeah, all sealed. Yeah, look at that. $8.
Show me the lowest listed one.
Lowest listed.
45. You give me somewhere in the middle.
He's the lowest listing at 2,000.
Bro, the buyback in Japan on these are so high right now.
Look, $20.
Did they ever make this?
That's the classic argument.
Did this even come back? Did this come out in Japanese? I don't think they made this.
No.
This is an English exclusive, bro.
There is no Japanese. No.
Exactly, it's gonna pump, bro. Sneaker Dunk has a buyback at $80. Okay, let's do. Okay, I'll do 0 or 70. How about we do like
Okay. The reason we're doing 60 is
20 or 50? No, 20 or 50. Middle point 35.
No, we have exactly 60 cash. I was just want to. Exactly. We want to be a round number by the end of the show. $60. We want to give you a welcome gift from Canada.
Okay, if you win, you have to buy me a GOATED PULLZ coin for my birthday.
What?
I always wanted a GOATED PULLZ coin.
GOATED PULLZ what?
Coin.
Coin? Where's your? Don't you have one?
I'm joking, bro. Never mind.
I'll say one more chance. One more chance. Two more chances. Two more
Chance. Okay, who's throwing? Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's gonna buy the Victini promo and the sealed Eevee. Great glare. Thank you for the glare. I'm joking. He's good.
This one's sealed. One is sealed.
They can't hear you. The mic's over here.
Tell them which one's sealed.
The Eevee sealed. The Eevee sealed. The Victini's not.
Yeah.
Marcus 30 Canadian. We're gonna flip 0 or 60 Canadian. Ready? Wherever it lands.
Yeah, wherever that is.
Ready? Let's throw it in the other room. No. It hit the edge of the table. It had interference, bro. Did you see that? It bounced. I saw him blow on it, bro. Isn't that your friend over there?
Yeah.
Do you know this guy? You guys know this guy? Isn't he on Canada's most wanted list?
He is.
Okay, so what was your name again, boss? Lincoln. All right, so Lincoln is giving us this holy grail, the holiest grail basically of Alakazam. First edition PSA 10, base set Shadowless Alakazam. Really clean, pop 93. In exchange, he is taking this from us. How much? 1,600 Canadian? He's getting this beautiful Japanese Gold Star Gyarados with the NBA Gold Diamond, the CoroCoro Mew PSA 10, and 1,600 Canadian. Who do you think won the trade? Would you rather have these two in 1,600 Canadian or the Alakazam First Edition? And he got a GOATED PULLZ coin too for free.
I don't flip, but I always watch.
Thank you, bro.
And then these ones, like crazy enough, I had these in 9s.
Nice.
And then I had to sell it bit by bit, so the fact that, like it really just was like just crazy how I was like, oh, and then
Nice.
they were willing to give me some cash for my wife's house.
Dope. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Cheers.